Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit with CapCut application. So here the device that I use is iPhone XR, and you need to open the CapCut application to start the editing. Whenever you already edit, you can just start a new project, or you can also use the project that you have. And today I would like to use the project that I have here. You can see I already have this video. I will like to edit this video with the words on it, so I will like to add some text in this part. So to do that, we need to go click text feature. In this text feature, we need to go click add text, and now we need to add the information that we want to add. For example, here. So since we have white background, we need to change the color of the text. We need to go click font first to change the font, or probably I would like to change the color by go click the style, and after that we need to choose the color that we want to apply into the text. Then I would like to go with this, go to size in it here. And after that, I would like to change the font. Let's find out the fonts that gets okay. And after that, go back in the style, and I will like to go in spacing. In this spacing, I will like to make it like in a right side. Right there. And after that, we need to go into the animation. In this animation, we need to find out the animation that you want to add into the text. Okay, let's find out what animations that we can get for the text. So I would like to that the text is move from right side into the left side. So I think I would like to go with this, and I would like to also adjusting the speed by go click this part into the right side to make it like have a longer duration right there. And after that, we need to go click done. And now I would like to make this text is appear in a whole video, so let's drag it into the end of the video. And now let's have a test. That's all. That's the way how to edit in a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.